In today's video, I'll show you how to add your Calendly link directly into your email signature. This simple tweak makes scheduling meetings effortless and saves you from the endless back and forth of finding a time that works. First, head over to your Calendly homepage. Here, you'll see all your active events. Each event comes with its own unique link which others can use to book time with you. Just find the event you want to share and click Copy Link. That link is now saved to your clipboard. Next, open your email account and go to your signature settings. Most email services like Gmail or Outlook make this really easy. Once your signature editor is open, simply paste the Calendly link into your signature. You can either paste the full link or, for a cleaner look, hyperlink a phrase like schedule a meeting with me so it blends naturally with your name and contact details. And that's it. From now on, anytime you send an email, your recipients will instantly have access to your calendar. No more long threads trying to agree on a time. They just click and book. So, you've successfully added Calendly to your email signature. A small change that makes a huge difference in productivity. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.